color will be, I'll add the colors, primary blue, yellow, and red. And white in the middle. Need more of the lighter color. You get a bit more the yellow and the blue. Okay. Now, from here, you can continue making tertiary colors using one primary color and one secondary color. 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 And one primary color and one secondary color. This is how you get turquoise right here, what I'm mixing now. Purpley blue, a deeper red, deeper purpley red, a very orange red, and a deeper orange yellow, and a lime green. Now out of these are all very vibrant colors. You also want to know how you can have some nice pastel mixes. So we'll make good use of the white that has been in the middle of our color wheel so far. You want to know what kind of pinks you can get out of your red? There you go. Now you clean your palette knife. You want to know what type of a pink this warmer yellowy red will give you? There you go. There's a range of them. You want to know what type of color this orange gives you? There you go, a peach color, using orange and white. Then you can get a lighter, warm yellow orange. You can get a lighter yellow. You can get a lighter lime green. And you can get a lighter green, of course, just simple green in a lighter form. pastel green, and then pastel turquoise. Pastel blue. Then a lighter purpley blue. The lighter violets. And a lighter version of this deeper reddish violet. There you go. This gives you a good idea of what your primary red, primary blue, and primary yellow can give you. Keep this sheet and save it for later use. So next time you want to use your primary blue, primary red, and primary yellow, and you don't know how to mix your secondary colors, the purple, the green, and the orange, or you don't know how to mix a specific hue and a specific tint of pastel colors, then you can refer back to this, look at the chart, and know how to get it. Thank you.